Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Yeah. Understanding the process is important, because if you understand the process, then you can able to set up the RVP, or you can understand the RVP which has already been configured. By the implementation. That is more important. Okay. So this we have completed. This is the way how we can able to go and create the permission group and role and how to assign the permission goals to that group. This, we have completed it and further. When you go into the admin center. As I told, there are high configuration tools, right? One is. Let me go up. Okay, here, when you go and see the permission go, is there under the set user permission, the permission goal is there. The manage all base permission is there. Then we also have this one, user permission. And then we have user the role, search permission. Okay, so total under the RDP we have total 5 permissions. Okay, so this 5 permission is a permission group position role. Manage permission will be access. We use a permission and user roles as proportion. Okay, so initially we started with manage, always permission access, and we have seen how we can able to go and view the permission, how we can able to go and view the access right. That we have seen, okay, before that what we have seen, how to enable this RVP from the provision right without enabling from the RVP from the provision, we cannot able to get the set user permission right. Yes, once you get it, then these options will not be there. So we need to go and give the options. So for giving that option, we need to add the user with the help of manage all this permission access. Okay, got it. So once it is added, you can see permission group role. We use a user role search. All will be showing them. Okay, in that, all in the last session. We have seen, we have used unenlight. Yeah, okay. We have used anlet. So now we have completed the managed permission group and the managed permission rule. So this is something which we need to understand while analyzing the RVP, or if you are for an implementation team, if you are creating the permission, if you are creating and setting the new permission. So this part we have already seen right now, and now for the, what are the type of tickets we can able to expect. So the type of tickets we can able to expect is that we have some employees whose permission is being, who has the proper permission, but when they are going to a particular employee data, the permission is missing and they are asking to check with the system administrator or the IT administrator. That was something, the requirement, which we can able to expect, okay. So how to analyze it? Because we have around 4,000 employees, right, or maybe more than that in our customer system. So how to analyze it? What is the permission which is being given to which employee? How to solve? We should know what is the permission, then only we can able to go and analyze it. So to understand the permission, how we will go in, we have an option that we have to raise. One is new user permission and another is user roles as permission. So we will go with the first method first of all, and we will see the comparison. So that we, before going into the employee profile also, you should know what all permission that employee profile is connected with. It is easy for you to analyze. Okay. So for that I will go into my system and I will go here, and the configuration tool which is using is new user permission. And this new user permission you can find it in the admin center page also. Okay. This new user permission. We can find it in the admin center page also. I am doing it from the global server. Can you click on the view user permission? It will take us to this page, and now we know a user is having a problem, right? So, but we do not know that user is connected with. What is the group which is connected? What is the permission is folding? We do not know. To understand what is the permission which is folding, what is the group? It is connected. So for that, what we need to do, we have to know the name of the permission group or the permission role. Okay. So for that only we are using this particular tool, that is, new user permission. Okay. So how we will go and use it? So let us take somebody. Let us take somebody as if I am taking somebody as Alex. Okay. If I am taking somebody as Alex and let me see. And I'm searching for it. When I search for the name, I can find. First of all, the name is showing here. Okay. Now I will click on the view permission. Please let me know if the pop-up is reflecting on all. No. And you can see the pop-up. Okay. You cannot see the pop-up, right? Yes, yeah. Okay. Now what we have done. We went into views of permission, search for the template and click on it. We just selected the permission. We've got a pop-up and here you can see the permission is there and the permission goal. So this permission list, from where it is coming? It is coming from the category. So suppose, if I am going back into the system and if I go into the permission role and if I go into the system at a bit and open the system at a bit. Once I open the system, and then when you go into the permissions and under the user permission, you can see the categories. These are the categories which is populating there. So there you can see general user permission. You can see general user permission right. This one. So the same thing here also. It is populating. You can see general user permission. Okay. So under the general user permission, if I go and get user login mask, creation group permission, live profile access. So again, if I go into general user permission,
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.